Today, we're talking about Ciclopirox Gel. This medication is used to treat certain fungal skin infections such as ringworm and athlete's foot between the toes. It is also used to treat a certain scalp condition called seborrheic dermatitis. Ciclopirox is an antifungal medication that works by stopping the growth of fungus. When using this gel, make sure to follow the recommended dosage and apply it at the optimal time for maximum effectiveness. When using Ciclopirox Gel, it's important to only apply it to the skin. Make sure the area is clean and dry before applying a thin layer of the medication on and around the affected area. Gently rub it into the skin or scalp as directed by your doctor, usually twice daily. Remember to wash your hands after using it, unless the area being treated includes the hands. It's important not to wrap, cover, or bandage the area unless directed to do so by your doctor. Avoid applying the medication in the eyes, nose, mouth, or inside the vagina. If it does come into contact with these areas, rinse with plenty of water. For best results, use this medication regularly at the same times each day. It's important to continue using the medication for the full time prescribed, even if your symptoms improve after a few days. Stopping the medication too early may result in the infection returning. If your condition worsens or does not improve after 4 weeks, be sure to consult your doctor. If you experience burning, stinging, redness, or itching at the application site, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, if you notice blistering, swelling, or oozing at the application site, inform your doctor immediately. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects not listed here, reach out to your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Before using Ciclopirox Gel, it's important to discuss any allergies with your doctor or pharmacist. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. It's also important to share your medical history with your healthcare provider before using this gel. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor. Additionally, it's unclear whether this medication passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult with your doctor before using it while breastfeeding. If you have surgery planned, make sure to inform your doctors or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. It's important to be aware of the potential interactions that Ciclopirox Gel may have with other medications. This can affect how well your medications work and may increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you are using, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Ciclopirox Gel. If this medication is accidentally ingested, it can be harmful. In the case of an overdose with serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911. Otherwise, contacting a poison control center is advised. U.S. residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Remember, it's important not to share this medication with others. This medication has been prescribed specifically for your current condition, so don't use it for another skin infection unless directed by your doctor. In that case, a different medication may be necessary. If you're using it for athlete's foot, be sure to wear well-fitting, ventilated shoes and change your socks at least once daily. If you forget to use Ciclopirox Gel, use it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, then skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Do not apply double the amount to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to store Ciclopirox Gel at room temperature, away from heat, and keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of this medication by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.